What it do, y'all? Your boy back here, just making another quick video. Just deciding to update you here with a few things kind of as I go. There's really not going to be any rhyme or reason as far as how I update you on the Chevelle. I'm going to try to keep all my projects and videos somewhat together. So like, you know, if I'm doing the floor like I am now, I'm going to try to like at least stick with those videos and series and, you know, but I'll be doing some things to the Chevelle along the way. So I'll try not to be all over the place, but I wanted to show you kind of some things that I got prepared for the Chevelle here, starting with my dash. So soon I'm going to be doing kind of a full restore series on how I'm going to do this. So this is the actually this is the original dash out of part of the car, because remember my car is two pieces put together. From two different cars. So the frame is one car, the blue part of the car is actually from the frame, and then the green car is off another car. So this is actually, I think, from the blue car. Then I have the green dash here on the bottom, and they're both actually in pretty good shape. There's going to be some things that I'm going to have to change around, like this piece here is actually, this dash is actually from an AC car, so it has this vent here for the AC, and then it has the AC kind of control manual or control section here, the heater controls, and my other one doesn't. It's just regular kind of like air defrost and, you know, your normal air. And then right here it actually has a Chevrolet plaque that covers that. This thing right here is like $100 online. So these parts are like crazy expensive. And then the cover piece that goes right here that just says Chevrolet, that's like a delete plate, that thing is like $40. And I was like, damn. So and I have that too on the other dash down there. So this is what that looks like down here. I don't know if you can see it, my light's not on, but yeah, it's just like Chevrolet right there. But yeah, that's the dash on here. But so yeah, I'm gonna make a whole restore video. I'm gonna take all this harness off, label where everything goes, so when I put it back together in the car, it's gonna be super nice and easy for me to put everything back. I'm just gonna make sure everything works, and hopefully I'll be good to go. So I'm probably gonna try to use this dash first since it's already black, and I'm just gonna repaint everything black and then kind of just go from there. What else? And the switch, I'm not sure what it is, but I'm sure I could use it for something. I don't know. But at least this is cut out, and I'll probably just stick another deck in there. But I'm going to restore everything. All these vents, there, I'm going to take them out, repaint them, make sure they all work good. There's a couple videos online on kind of how to restore those. And then just kind of keep it going from there, y'all. This right here, I have two of these harnesses. They have those old school fuses in there, glass fuses. I might see about buying a different one. Something that kind of takes your normal fuses that we have today, like the block style fuses or whatever they're called, and then see about using those. I don't know, they'll still work, and if I don't want to get too involved with it, I mean, if this works and it's OG and it works fine, it works fine. But I don't know, we'll see how far I can get into it. You know, wiring sucks and nobody really likes it, so anyways, that's kind of that. But yeah, y'all, that's kind of what I got in store for the dash. So I'm gonna do a full restore on these, and you know, all these areas where all the letters and stuff are silver, and all that silver trim. I think they have what they call a silver leafing pin. I'm gonna do all that, y'all, all that. So this dash will look totally different than what it is now. So yeah, that's pretty much kind of what I got in store for that as far as the dash goes. Other than that, I made another video as well in regards to some seat belts that I copped off Facebook Marketplace for only $80, y'all. And if you look at seatbelt kits online, they're like used ones are like $300. And I got a set of black ones for $80. Brand new, they're like $500. And I'm like, man, I'm starting to see why these Chevelles are so much money, because the damn parts are so much money. But I'll show that video for the seatbelts in the next clip here as well. So that's all I got here. So dash restore coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. I made this area back here as my workplace is kind of in the back of my house, so that way when the winter months come, I can be able to kind of work on this bench here, on this table, and get some stuff done in the warmth. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. Oh, y'all see that panoramic? That's coming soon too, to the Capri, so be on the lookout for that coming. Hopefully I'll get that installed sometime early next year, so that's still coming. Don't forget about that, y'all. All right, so be on the lookout for this next clip on the seat belts, and then I'll keep y'all updated here as I go. All right, talk to y'all later. Peace out. What's up, y'all? Got another Facebook Marketplace score. Got these black seat belts from a 70 Chevelle. They're actually for a bench seat, but I'm gonna see if I can make them work for bucket seats as well. Scored these for $80. $80, black ones. They're not in perfect shape, but the belts themselves aren't really too discolored. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna can clean them up and try to restore them a little bit. Worst case scenario, I can just re-dye them in black dye. If after I clean them up they're not to what I like. I'll probably end up taking some steel wool or something to the buckles themselves, and then I'm gonna take apart or just mask off the chrome parts on there, and then and repaint the black buckles themselves, and then I'll see what I can do for those retractable belt covers or housings there. Looks like that might be leather or vinyl. I'm not sure, but I'll take a look at those. But shoot, $80, y'all. And if you know anything about these Chevelle parts, especially like the seat belts, used to get like a fair to decent shape full set of seat belts is like $300. I mean, just eBay it and you'll see. Brand new, they're like $500 for a set. I've seen some for like $175, but they're off colors like green, or they're really in bad shape. So if you're restoring a Chevelle or something similar like that, I'm not sure about G-bodies or anything, because I've never had to actually buy seat belts before, because they've always been in the car and they've always been pretty clean. This one came with seat belts, but they're green, and then they're pretty beat up and old, but I'm not going to use green anyway. But if you know anything about these, man, they're expensive. So I thought I'd go ahead and search, and I ended up finding these, and dude said they were just given to him, and he had them listed for $100, but he said he'd take 80, and so bam, got them. So anyways, a quick vid for another score, and yeah, y'all, making my way at it, just chipping away. So I'll keep you updated, and we'll holler later.